Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you to adjust your language settings between English, Spanish, or French. So from your vehicle started here and everything's lit up, make sure this is powered up, which this now is. And then we'll go to enter to get to your settings. And then here we'll scroll all the way to the bottom so we see language select and push enter. And then here we can do English, French, or Spanish. So let's say we want Spanish, we'll push enter. And now everything's updated to Spanish. And then I'll walk through again how to switch it to English since I speak English. So from here, we'll go to your settings again and then scroll all the way down to idioma, enter, and then back to English. And that's it. It has auto save, so there's no other buttons you have to click. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.